Hi everybody, Deborah from Stamp On It. This is a very quick video. I just have to show you this new product, but also an addition to the new product. So new we don't even have samples completed of it, but this is one of our shaker sheet kits. In the kit is all the things you need to make 3 really cool shaker cards. Okay, it comes with your acetate, your glitter film, your coordinating stickers, and then you get to pick, depending on what kit you're working with and ordering, you get to pick your color of cardstock, you get to pick whether you want a circle or a square overlay, and then the color of your overlay. Sometimes you get to pick your color of your stickers also. So that is all included when you're ordering. You will see those options. But one thing I wanted to show you with this really quick, this is the new Happy Easter. All right, for 2022. So it just comes with your 3 sheets like this of stickers and the acetate, the glitter film. But I also want to show you a added option on this one as of yesterday. It also comes with the option to choose, instead of the typical black, white, and cream overlay, you can pick from the new Spring 2022 colors of Banana Split, Grapesicle, forgot the blue color, and Spearmint. I can't remember what the blue color is called, but anyway, it's on the website. You can see it when you're ordering and picking your options. But you'll be able to change the color of your overlays on this to make just a really cool looking shaker card. Super, super cool for Easter, for the springtime. So don't forget to check that out on our website, okay? The kit includes your shaker elements too. They're customized to each kit to coordinate with all the other pieces in the kit. So check that out, www.stamponit.net. Look for the shaker card kits. Thanks for watching.